Lord, you give the great commission, heal the sick and preach the word. Bless the church, neglect its mission, and the gospel go unheard. Help us witness to your purpose with renewed integrity, with the Spirit's gifts, empower us for the work of ministry. Lord, you call us to your service. In my name baptize and teach, that the world may trust your promise. Life abundant meant for each. Give us all new fervor, trust, closer in community, with the Spirit's gifts, empower us for the work of ministry.